In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase Instagram story quality on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram and then hit on your profile icon, then hit on three lines icon and there select settings. Now there tap on account and here hit on data usage. Now there make sure that option use less mobile data is turned off. When this option is turned on, this option reduce the quality of Instagram stories. So toggle it off and now you can hop out Instagram and open up your settings. Once you are on settings, hit on general, then scroll down and hit on transfer or reset iPhone, hit on reset and there hit on reset network settings. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.